faceless kids animation channels are dead. Or at least, that's what most people think. But if that were true, why are these channels making thousands every month? And why is the kids' education market projected to hit $17 billion by 2033? And my question for you is, why aren't you using AI to automate everything? Look how easy it is. Create an animated YouTube video about an owl named Ollie who teaches kids about planets.
Hoot hoot, ready for takeoff? Ollie zoomed past Mercury, the closest planet to the sun. Whew, it's so hot there you could melt a pizza in seconds. Next up was Venus, Earth's twin. But not really. Venus spins the opposite way of most planets. It's like a rebel. Mars has the biggest volcano in the whole solar system. It's 3 times taller than Mount Everest. Then came Jupiter, the biggest planet of all. Wow! Jupiter has a storm that's been raging for over 300 years.
Impressive, I know, but we are not done yet. Dub this video into Spanish.
Conoce a Oli el búho y únete a nuestra aventura espacial. Ah, ¿listos para el despegue? Oli pasó volando por Mercurio, el planeta más cercano al Sol. ¡Uf! Hace tanto calor allí que podrías derretir una pizza en segundos.
So trust me, people aren't failing because it's hard. They're just too lazy to stay consistent. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to start your own viral kids animation channel without animating, editing, or writing skills. Everything is 100% AI automated. So first we'll be figuring out what type of videos you should create. And after analyzing dozens of successful channels, I've found the top 3 faceless kids animation niches that are blowing up right now. First, we have bedtime stories. Simple animated tales that keep kids entertained before bed. Parents love these because they help kids relax while teaching a moral lesson. Then, we have educational videos, things like ABCs, numbers, and fun learning animations. These get crazy watch time because kids re-watch them over and over. And finally, we have fun and entertaining skits, which are short animations with talking animals or silly characters. These go viral fast because they're fun, fast-paced, and highly rewatchable. Now, all of these niches are great, and there are tons of successful channels in each one, so choosing the right niche really comes down to what you prefer. So, before I show you how to create viral animation in minutes, let me first show you how to find viral ideas. First, head over to YouTube and search for keywords related to your niche. So let's go with bedtime stories for kids as an example. Start scrolling through the results and look for videos that were uploaded recently but already have a high view count. For example, this video was uploaded 8 months ago and got over 2 million views, which is a strong sign that this concept has huge potential. After that, you need to get an overall idea of the story, and most of the time, you can get a quick summary of the story right in the video description. Like this one is about a little mouse named Milo, searching for a quiet place to sleep away from his snoring brother. So now that we have a viral idea, we're not going to copy it. We're going to use AI to create a fresh spin on it. And here's what you do. Go to ChatGPT, paste the video idea, and use this simple prompt. Give me variations of this video idea that follow the same storytelling style, but feel fresh and unique. And in just a few seconds, AI will generate multiple new story ideas, all inspired by content that's already proven to work, which means all of these ideas have the potential to blow up again. And just like that, you've automated one of the hardest parts of YouTube, coming up with ideas that actually get views. But now comes the part where most people get stuck, actually turning those ideas into videos. And this is where InVideo AI completely changes the game. With this AI tool, you can turn a simple text into a fully animated video in any style you want, all in just a few minutes with zero effort. And honestly, I was blown away by the quality you can get. So let's generate a video together so you can see how powerful this really is. So first, you need to sign up using my link in the description. And right here, we can type in our prompts and instructions, hit generate, and let the AI do all the work. Or if you want more control, you can choose a workflow from different animation styles and start from there. So let's take one of ChatGPT's ideas, Daisy the Duckling. I'll copy the idea and paste it right here. I want it to be 1 minute long and in a Pixar Disney animation style. So once that's set, I'll hit generate. Now here you'll see some customization options that you can adjust. But the most important one to check is generative media. This ensures that the AI creates everything from scratch. Once that's selected, I'll hit continue. And now we just wait for the video to be created.
In a cozy pond lived Daisy, a fluffy yellow duckling on an important mission. Daisy was searching for the perfect place to sleep. First, she tried a soft patch of grass, but it was too tickly. Next, a smooth, flat rock. Oh dear, too hard and hot. Daisy spotted some lily pads. Surely this would be comfy. But playful fish swam by, making the lily pads wobble. Poor, tired Daisy. She still hadn't found the right spot. Just then, she heard her mother's gentle quack. As Daisy snuggled up to her mother's soft feathers, something magical happened. She realized she'd found the most perfect, cozy sleeping spot of all.
I mean, I have no words. I purposely didn't use any complex prompts because I wanted to test how good the AI really is. And as you just saw, the results are actually mind-blowing. And this is just the beginning. We're going to dive even deeper into what this tool can do. So, what if I told you that you can edit your video just by typing text? That's exactly what the edit command box does. Want to change the background music, add subtitles, swap the voiceover? Just type it in, and the AI will instantly apply the changes. You can even change the entire story tone and make it more emotional, for example.
Everyone longs for a place to call home, and Daisy, a lonely little yellow duckling, was no different.
But if you prefer a hands-on approach, just hit the edit button. Here, you'll have complete control over the clips, music, script, and other settings. And the best part? If you make changes to the script, the AI will automatically update the entire video for you. Inside the Media tab, you'll see all the clips that were generated. And if there's a scene you don't like, you can replace it with a new clip while keeping the same visual style. To do that, click Generative Media, then Generate New Media. You can then use these elements related to your video to maintain consistency. For example, we can type Daisy and Daisy's mother swimming together in the pond. After hitting Generate Clip, the AI will create a brand new scene while keeping the same characters, background, and overall style. And if you think that's all, you're wrong, my friend. If you go to Plugins, you'll unlock even more powerful tools, like voice cloning, where you can clone your own voice and use it in your videos to add a personal touch. But my absolute favorite feature is dubbing into 50+ different languages. You can simply use the command box and ask the AI to dub your video into Spanish,
Daisy estaba buscando el lugar perfecto para dormir.
into German,
Daisy suchte den perfekten Schlafplatz.
into Hindi.
Daisy ढूंढ रही थी perfect जगह सोने के लिए.
This is a game changer for reaching a global audience and maximizing your video's reach effortlessly. Now listen, you can try InVideo AI for free, but if you want access to its full generative capabilities, I highly recommend going for the generative plan, starting at $96 a month. That's the plan I use, and it gives you 15 generative minutes, which is enough to create high-quality videos without spending hours editing. And if you're already an InVideo user, you can simply purchase additional generative minutes in the add-ons section and start creating right away.